looking for somebody to sing the hook on their song,
there you go.
Rip Job. After appearances on Letterman, Ellen, and Saturday Night Live, the single hit #1 and went platinum 6 times. He went from a cubicle on the inside to a worldwide tour. In a word, it was awesome. Please welcome Seattle recording artist Michael Wanzi, otherwise known as Wanz. We wish all of you and your tour the best on the Heist World Tour and a new album this summer. And you can meet Wanz and showcase your goodwill funds at our Good Job Fashion Contest taking place on the 10th through the 2nd inning. Ladies and gentlemen, once again,